Welcome to Land Cruiser Restorations. Take a look at our latest, a 1986 fj60 done in the traditional Toyota Alpine White. This cruiser belongs to a gentleman referred to as Pat Alaska. Pat Alaska is stationed in Alaska and probably going to end up taking this to Alaska. When it came to us, it's all stock engine, stock power plant. It came to us, it was a real rust issues all the way around the body. And very fortunate that we have the capability and the guys here with the skills to cut this rust out when they come to us rusty and replace them with solid metal. Pat, we appreciate you selecting us to redo your classic cruiser. I hope you're not disappointed. I don't think you will be. We take a lot of patience with it and attention to a lot of detail. Again, this is the fj60 single round headlights, stock power plant, we put the new stock carburetor on it. This is the Alpine White color, again the 033 Toyota. It really runs nice. It's got a few miles on it. This is our custom bumper. We call it the triple bar. It's got a worn synthetic rope winch. Really well built. Let me show you the interior. The seats are done in a marine grade vinyl, which is very pliable. It's not the old hard vinyl that your grandfather used to have. And this is got the 5-speed in it. It's got the H55F 5-speed tranny. Really runs nice. Nice stock door panels. Some of Pat's goodies we're going to send back to him. Some manuals, Toyota manuals. Got a nice sound system in it. Nice speakers. Really nice all-around cruiser. Nice representation. Folks, if you got a Land Cruiser you're looking to have restored, we don't have a stage 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, or 6. We custom build these Land Cruisers to suit you. So they're not all the same, they're more personalized. Get out of his way. There he goes. Again, Pat, thank you. We've got a few Land Cruisers here awaiting custom builds. We'd be happy to add yours to the collection and get you in the queue. Give us a call. Land Cruiser Restorations, 316-992-5986, and I'm Jim, the owner. Be happy to talk to you. Appreciate it.